Let's talk about the summer heat and how we stay hydrated the smart way. Forget the regular ice, we're upgrading. Instead of plain water cubes, honeydew melon, so sweet, so refreshing. Meet your new best friend in the freezer, the honeydew cube. It's a nutrient powerhouse, keeping the goodness locked in until you're ready to enjoy. Kids love the fun color and the sweet, icy bite. Watch this, pour your favorite juice over these cubes, or maybe some sparkling soda for a fizzy treat. As the cube melts, it infuses the drink with more fruity flavor. Instead of watering it down, quench your thirst and nourish your body at the same time. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Honeydew cubes, health, hydration, and happiness in a single glass. Instead of plain water cubes, honeydew melon.
Now that our ice cubes are ready and frozen, and take them out of the tray, start them into this bowl, and you can just put them into a Ziploc bag or whatever bag you want to put them in. However way you want to store them, but whenever time you take out 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of these little things, you know you're getting
some sparkling soda for a fizzy treat. As the cube melts, it infuses the drink with more fruity flavor. Instead of watering it down, quench your thirst and nourish your body at the same time. We're upgrading.